Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2015 Subaru Outback. All of the headlights in the main housing are accessible by simply reaching behind the bulb housing. No tools nor panel removals will be required. Pairing your phone via Bluetooth is a very straightforward procedure. The touchscreen menus have clear instructions for connecting your phone without any need for voice activation. The spare tire and jack kit are conveniently packaged together in the trunk. This allows for a quick removal and easy setup in the event of a flat. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. The taillights in the main housing have rather tedious access. You will first need to remove a panel that's held on by multiple rivets before you can access the bolts that secure the housing, before finally prying the housing out to disconnect it. This vehicle does not come equipped with a petcock for its radiator. Instead, you will need to disconnect the lower radiator hose from underneath the vehicle in order to drain the fluid. Not only is this an inconvenient setup, but it's also a tight fit that may expose you to hot engine parts. The fog lights may prove difficult to access. You will need to remove a couple of rivets from underneath the vehicle and pry back a panel in order to access the bulbs, which provide you with very limited flexibility. Overall, the 2015 Subaru Outback is a relatively easy car to maintain, making it a great choice for those who are new to car repair.